All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to Buck Does It. Here's another update on the Cruda build here, and so let's get at it. All right, we got the fuse box mounted. I added a relay here for the start. I got the start button and the switch right here, ready to go. I just leaving this loose yet for now. Also dug out this big starter wire that came from the back battery all the way up through, and that's too short for what I want to do, so I'm going to need a cable. And I have extra power cable here too, so I can use. That's all working out well. I'm just trying to get some of this stuff figured out while I'm waiting on cash to buy more parts. And you know what they say about the more you dig, the more you find. Well, and I was just trying to figure out what I was going to do with my battery. Now I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the fuel tank or fuel cell. What I'm going to do here with the trunk. So next up, I got to pull that gas tank out of there and clean the rest of this trunk out here, all this parts, and start cutting out all this bad metal, and then decide what I want to do after that. So got a lot more body work to do, more welding. Yeehaw. I knew there was some holes in here, but I didn't think it was that bad. But they just had aluminum cover in there covering it all, so, and that didn't help anything, and that moisture underneath there. But the side over here looks pretty good. Underneath looks all right. Let's see which way I want to go. Do I buy a trunk pan or just make my own? Probably make my own. I'm gonna need a brace there too. Yeah, here we go. All right, I've been doing some work around here, a little bit of wiring, and I got the fuse box in there. I got some circuits wired in. Got the control box in. I got the gauges. They're all hooked up. I still have some wiring to do on the gauges for the sensors here and for the lights. And got the battery charger out. A buddy of mine gave me a battery. So we got wires hanging all over the place here. Got the ballast resistor in. I got all the wires hooked up all the way out here to the coil. I just have a bunch of used wires in here. I just want to see if it's going to bark off here shortly. I had it, got oil in it, got transmission fluid in it. Had oil pressure built up. So I just wanted to give an update where I'm at. I just put all the used plugs in there. We'll just see what happens here. I just want to make sure it barks off, and then we'll get it outside and let it run for a little while and see how it runs. So let's get you set up here, and I'll show you first start. I haven't tried anything. All I did was check for some compression. I got 2 cylinders that are low, like 60 pounds. So I'm hoping they'll build back up after we get it running. All right, I got I only have a little bit of gas. That's a 2-stroke mixed, but it'll be fine. So that's all we're gonna use here. And got power. Now this is going through the fuse box relays. This would be the starter wire. All right, so we got There we go. Pour a little fuel down in there. That's all I got. So, see what happens. Hey! She barks. Yes. Let's pour it all in there. That's all I got. It might run for about a second and a half. Do 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 do. We got ourselves a runner. All right. Man, I want to run it a little longer. What do you think? I'll go get some more fuel. All right, got some more fuel. Let me open the door. Oh, too much. Power. We got a runner. Just I have to do the carburetor and stuff yet, but trying to get some down here in the bowl. Darn. I spilled it all over the place. All over the cap. Yeah, there's nothing there. I'm just happy she barks off, you know. Let's see what we got this time. Got a little bit coming out of squirters. All right, let's record this. I'll put a short out. All right, we got the battery hooked up. I gotta put power here. Hang on. I got the battery hooked up, got wires and stuff in there, got some fuel in the carburetor. Just had to bark off. Let's see if she barks off again. Yeah. Yeah, we got some carburetor work to do, but it's a runner. Oh, man. All right, that's the last of the gas. One more time, I want to do a short. All right, got a battery hooked up, got wires on it. I already had it barking off, so I thought I'd do one more shot here. Power to it. Here we go. The runner. All right, we got a fuel leak here. So that's it for today. Oh, I had a wide open vacuum leak here too. I never thought of, but forgot about. Okay. All right, there we go. I'm happy. It's running. Well, it's not running right, but it starts. Cool. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. Remember to be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.